Welcome to Tracebook. This guide walks you through setting up your system, building your machine catalog, registering customer machines, and uploading the right content for the right people. No code, no jargon, just a few minutes. Setting up takes 4 steps. First, you build a catalog of every machine model you sell, plus the configuration options that vary between them. Next, you register each customer's machine and tag it with its specific configuration. Then you upload your manuals, drawings, and videos. And last, you tell the system who each piece of content is for, what we call rules. The system handles the rest. First, the catalog. 3 things go in here. Your machine models, every kind of machine you sell, your tag keys, the configuration axes that vary between machines like the drive or the screen, and your tag values, the actual options under each key, like a specific drive variant. Once these are set up, you and your team will pick from these drop-downs instead of typing things from scratch. When a customer is set up, you add their machine. Pick the model from your catalog, then tag the machine with its specific configuration. The drive variant they have, the touchscreen, the software. The customer can now log in and chat about that machine. We just need to give them content to draw from. Most uploads are simple. A general operator manual? Pick the model it's for. Leave the rules section empty. It now reaches every customer with that model. No further setup needed. When a document only applies to certain configurations, you add a rule. Here's a Compax 3 drive manual. It only applies to machines with the E2012 drive family. One condition: drive is one of these 5 values. Customers with those drives see the manual. Everyone else doesn't. Real OEM content often has multiple audiences. Take a troubleshooting guide that covers 3 things: a motor section for Gen X machines with specific motors and drives, a drive section for any machine with that drive family, and an operator interface section for machines with a particular touchscreen running InteractX. 3 different audiences in one document. You set up 3 rules, 1 per audience. The document applies to a customer if any rule passes. 1 upload, intelligent routing. Each customer sees only what applies to their machine. Acme has a Gen X with the motor and drive. They see the troubleshooting guide because all 3 audiences match. Bolt has a Gen Z with just the drive. They see it because the drive section applies to them. Crown has a Gen X with a different drive entirely. They don't see it. The system handled all of that automatically from the rules you wrote once. When something changes, a new drive variant ships, your product line shifts, you edit the rules. No re-upload, no waiting. The system updates the indexed copy in a fraction of a second. And when a customer reports they can't find a manual you expect them to see, click Y on the document. Gold check marks for conditions that match this customer. Gray for conditions that don't. One look tells you exactly why the system did or didn't admit the document. That's the whole loop. Catalog, machines, content, rules, happy configuring.